Welcome to another Excel tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to perform a two-way lookup using the powerful XLOOKUP function in Excel. Let's dive right in. Imagine you have a table like this, where each row represents a person's name, and each column represents a month. To perform a two-way lookup, we want Excel to find a value based on two criteria, the person's name and the month. First, we need to set up our data properly. We'll name our ranges to make our formulas easier to understand. We'll name the range for months as months, the range for names as names, and the data range as data. In this example, we want to find out how much Bob earned in March. So, we'll enter Bob in cell B7 and Mar in cell B6. Now, in cell C6, we'll write the XLOOKUP formula. Equal to XLOOKUP. Open bracket. Select name cell. Comma. Select names range. Comma. XLOOKUP. Bracket open. Select month cell. Comma. Select months range. Comma. Select data range. Bracket close. Close. Press enter key. Excel returns 100, which is the value for Bob in March. This formula first looks up the name in cell B7 within the names range, then it looks up the month in cell B6 within the months range, and finally returns the corresponding value from the data range. You've just performed a two-way lookup using the XLOOKUP function in Excel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.